Team synergy now.
So the first thing that we're going to be looking at is language patterns. Language patterns are wonderful. If you are someone who's into marketing, if you love the power of words, you will love what we go into in that section at Persuasive Women Live on language patterns. And the thing that I really want you to take with you is the more you learn about language patterns, the easier it is to take command of the persuasion equation. Here's an example of here's a great language pattern. If you blank, then you blank. Wish I had that written down. It goes, if you blank, then you blank. If you understand what I'm saying about the persuasion equation, then you understand how important it is that you learn to communicate authentically. Okay, this is what is known as a cause and effect statement. It's just one area of language patterns that we'll be going very deeply into at Persuasion Equation. This will help your marketing, this will help all your company literature, and this will help you learn to speak and connect with people in a way that makes sense. And you're going to love the language patterns. The more you spend time with the language patterns, the easier they are to learn. We were going to be teaching you a way of being able to take on these language patterns so that they become a natural expression of who you are. So language patterns are powerful. We already have a variety of language patterns that we use and don't even know the power that they are. This is the power of linguistics. And when you start to really study the power of words, you can use word choice in a way that inspires people. You know, as I'm telling you this, there's a deeper, more important part of you that really understands the power of words and wants to have a command of your words in a way that they strike an emotional chord with the people you're talking to. This is essential in the world that we live in, that you have clarity and understanding of words, phrases, so that you strike a spark in the hearts of people.